In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any cryptocurrency from the platform OKX. If you want to create an account on OKX, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can pick up a free mystery box worth up to $10,000 of bonuses. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description, then you can enter your details right here, and you're ready to go. Alright, so to withdraw any crypto, simply go up here to Assets and then click on Withdraw. Then you first need to choose your cryptocurrency up here that you want to withdraw, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. In this case, I'm going to choose USDT because I have some here. You will also see available balances right here. Then I have to choose the network and the address where I want to send the money. So of course, I want to send the money to my own wallet or another exchange. So it will always be provided there with a depositing address if you go to deposit on this platform or wallet. And this address that you will see here on deposit, you need to enter in here to send it to that wallet or exchange. And for each address, there's also a network. For most cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, you will just use the normal Bitcoin or Ethereum network. But for example, with USDT, you can use it with different networks. So make sure that you're using the same network that you can see here under deposit right here as well, if you want to withdraw it right here. Once you have that set up, then you can also enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You can also click on max to just choose the entire amount that you have right here. And then all you need to do is just click here on next and confirm the withdrawal, and that's pretty much already it. If you also want to know how you can withdraw fiat money, so for example US dollar or euro to your own bank account, make sure to check out the video description because I have a separate tutorial on exactly that. Don't forget to create an account on OKX by using the link down from the video description to get the free mystery box that you can easily pick up. Just use the link from the video description and pick up your free bonuses. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.